Hello friends, welcome back to the tutorial lab. Today in this video I am going to show you how to download the Blogger app from Google Play. Blogger is a very popular platform from Google. People who want to write article but they don't have the budget to purchase a domain and hostings to make website, they can easily use Blogger. I hope I don't need to explain the importance of Blogger. But the problem is Blogger is not available in some region. How they will download the Blogger app? Today in this video I am come with the solution. To download Blogger app we have to use a VPN. I am using Turbo VPN in my case. Let's connect. After connecting, go to your browser and type Blogger APK. Here you will find the Blogger app. Tap on this. I am from Bangladesh and in our country Blogger is not available in Google Play Store. I have downloaded the Blogger app exactly in the same way and tap install. In my case I am updating the app. In a few minutes your app will be downloaded. You can use this. Tap open. From this app you can control your blogging experience easily. You can write blog, you can upload a blog, you can edit a blog, you can delete a blog. Everything you can do from here. Let's open Yep. From the menu you can view post, delete post. Let's view the post. Here you can see the blog. Friends, by this way you can download Blogger app if it is not available in your region. I hope you like this video. Please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe the channel to get more future videos like this. Thanks for watching.